Looking for a home in a peaceful subdivision located in the heart of Biñan, Laguna? Hello everyone! My name is Elizabeth Marino from BA Domingo Realty and Construction Works. Let's go! Let's do a live house tour. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating project dito sa Biñan, Laguna. So this is the Granary by House Talk. So it has one car garage provision. By the way mga friendship, ito po is solo house. Let's go! Come inside! Pagpasok ninyo mga friendship, dito ang ating sala sa part na to. Ito po ang ating actual turnover. Fully painted na po ang walls po natin dito. Ayan, ang kulang na lang na ipapagawa natin is tiles para alam po natin kung anong color ng tiles ang gusto natin. So, ito mga friendship is our kitchen area. And we have here access dito po sa labas. Sa ating, this will serve as your service area also. And dito sa part na to is our mini, what do you call this? No, not that, mini, no, mini stock room. Sorry, mini stock room. Ayan. So, pagpasok natin, friend, andito po ang ating toilet and bath dito. Ayan. So, ang toilet and bath natin, mga friendship, kung makikita nyo, nakaseparate yung shower area natin sa ating toilet bowl. Let's go upstairs, mga friendship. So, dito po sa second floor ay meron na po yan rooms. Meron tayong 2 kwarto, kaya perfect na perfect to for starting families po. At naghahanap ng peaceful subdivision. Ayan, dito po yan sa Biñan, Laguna at very accessible sa city. Ayan, so kung nagtatrabaho ka sa BGC, sa Taguig, ang lapit niya lang mga friendship. So this is the first room. Ayan, it's up to you paano mo di-design na ng inyong kwarto, of course. Ayan, pwedeng, yan po yung room natin for your kids. Ayan, and this is our master's bedroom here. As what you can see guys, ang ating mga window ay naka-sliding window na yan. So, mga friendship, if you are looking for a property, today is the best time to invest. What are you waiting for? Habang may available unit pa tayo. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!